Energy and motivation is available with some programs. You choose options within the program that focus on boosting energy and motivation. Once you have made your selection, find a quiet area to eliminate distractions. You want to rest in comfortable position. Closing your eyes can help you get the most out of the program sounds. How do I choose sounds? You have options with most programs to customize sounds. For the most part, you can enjoy the sounds offered to you, which are customized to fit a wide array of cultures and personalities. You also can browse to find new sounds online, download to the program and then set up, as you like. You have many options with today's brain enhancement programs, so take time to explore your choices. User sessions allow you to customize the programs to fit your needs. Brain enhancement user sessions integrated into some of the brain enhancement programs give the option of choosing the session that fit your mood. For instance, if you are feeling overly stressed, you can select options that help you to manage stress. Listening to the sounds carrying your mind into a childlike state will help improve long-term memory. Creative sounds help you to relax and to reveal the repressed memories that hinder you from using the creative mind to work efficiently. The programs offer visual tools that help you to see things in a fuller light and to show in words how the light can benefit others. Auditory options work to improve how you communicate, as well as how you relate to communication when talking to others, by improving hearing. Kinesthetic choices improve the way you perceive, which helps you to express feelings and take action effectively. The programs work close with your personality, culture, or genetic attributes. Tools integrated allow you to customize the program so that you achieve balance, or effects that benefit your personality and culture, as well as genetic factors. The programs combine voice and sounds to help you achieve your missions in life. That is, if you intend to improve your creative skills, voices will repeatedly tell you that you are creative and open to create using innovative thoughts. The advantage of today's programs is that you are not restricted. You have options that include Wave, which allows you to enjoy visual and audio sessions by exporting the relaxation sounds to CD. Recording gives you the option of using microphone or using the text-to-speech utilities. Scripts are incorporated so that you can customize the hypnosis effects using editing tools. Dual inductions allow you to create your own sessions in affirmations, suggestion, scripts and sound files. You have many options available with today's software. How difficult is the programs to learn? The programs are not difficult. If you take time to explore, you will find that the programs are easy to use, or you can use the wizards provided to get the most of your software. What can the programs help me accomplish? Improving long-term memory is one accomplishment that you can achieve using the brain enhancement programs. You can lose weight, start up exercise routines, and better your business skills or student abilities. You can fight addictions, break bad habits, and learn to relax, or improve your creative thinking abilities. You have so many options available to you with today's programs. Do the programs work? If you have a need or desire to improve your life, yes, the programs work. If you can follow a few set of instructions and willfully apply yourself, yes, the programs will work. If you feel some confidence, the programs will benefit you further. The programs use training and orientation stimulations to target alpha and theta brainwaves, the nervous system, brain cells, etc., so it is inevitable that most of these programs will work. How can the programs help me to relax? Combining sounds and voice, as well as relaxing techniques, the programs can help you to relax by allowing you to connect with your inner child. Connecting with your inner child puts you in front of the long-term memory, which can only enhance your abilities to open the mind up to learning. You have many options in today's technology advanced programs. The programs use neurofeedback to help you relax and to improve your memory. The only sure way the programs will work is that you take the time to put the programs to the test. Once you test the programs, you will find relaxation sitting in front of you. Brain enhancement tools offer you solutions to relaxation. Brain enhancement tools for relaxation. Brain enhancement tools for relaxation are integrated into some of the programs offered today. The tools offer you the ability to customize the programs to fit your personality, culture, or genetic structures. When you feel weighed down with stress, using the tools give you the advantage of discovering relaxation in a new light. How do the programs work? The programs employ voice and sounds. Using voice and sound combined daily can help you to achieve your goals. For instance, if you want to exercise, yet find it difficult to get started, listen to the program sessions that play sounds and use voices that tell you enjoy working out. Listening to someone repeatedly tell you how much you enjoy exercise on a daily basis will inspire you to begin exercise regimens. How do the programs improve memory? Again, when someone is repeating in your ear with sounds or waves backing them, listening on a daily basis, your memory will feel improved as stress ceases. Listening to the sounds puts you in a childlike state, proven to enhance long-term memory. Using auditory sounds can improve your communication skills, since the programs target the alpha, theta, and kinesthetic aspects of your personal makeup. The sounds target different aspects of the brainwaves. Alpha is the set of brainwaves that places emphasis on how you relax and what the brain can do to improve the memory. The software today employs voice, neurofeedback, and sounds to trigger the alpha and theta brainwaves, which submit signals and messages to the bodily cells in the brain. Triggering the major aspects of the brain's functionality can improve creative thinking abilities, cognitive thinking, and memory, and so on. The programs today trigger alpha and theta based on your personality type. The sounds and visuals put you in a childlike state, which takes you back to your youth. When a person feels young, it helps them to relax and feel confident. When confident passes over the mind, thus improved memory is available. The brain composes billions of cells, which in medical terms is known as neurons. The neurons send electrical messages to other brain cells, which produce scores of electrical activities that trigger the brain. The signals and messages help the brain to detect through sensors interruptions that cause stress, or signal the body to take action. The software today uses sensors that target the brain, which assists in guiding you to relaxation. How do I choose options? It depends on the program. Some programs give you options in selecting tone, auditory beat, nose filtering, sound filters, hemispheric synchronize, photic stimulation, and so on. You will find help with customizing alpha and theta to fit your needs. As well, support is available to help you enhance sports. You have headache relief, fibromyalgia relief, chronic pain relief, insomnia recovery, blood pressure balance, depress control, energy, inspirational sounds, and more. Additional options with some programs include help with sleep induction, PMS relief, anxiety relief, stress relief, chemical deficit relief, immune enhancers, help with ADD or ADHD, and so on. Beta sounds and voices are used to control symptoms for those diagnosed with ADD or ADHD. How did these programs come about? The programs back EEG research and testing. Using EEGs, experts were able to notice reactions within the brain that caused stress, and the sounds waves were noted to show positive reactions. Thus, researching EEGs and responses started others to believe that sounds combined with voice could improve the brain's ability to function. Of course, other research played a part also. Studies were conducted, testing students while employing music to find positive results. Understanding the brain can help you see how brain enhancement solutions can benefit you. The brain and enhancement solutions. Understanding how the brain works is the start to finding solutions for relaxing, improving memory, and so on. The brain affixes to the nervous system, which it relies on to receive signals or messages. The nervous system is the anatomy that has many physiology views. The brain starts receiving messages from neurons, which make up billions of cells. The basic functions use the nervous system to transmit neurons that consist of cell bodies. The cell bodies extend to dendrites, axon, and finally to surroundings that make up myelin sheath, or myelinated neurons. Experts in brain enhancement studies believe that dendrites play a huge part in the brain's ability to produce healthy cells. Dendrites are branches of extensions that reach to the nerve cells to receive electrical signals from one neuron to the next. Once the signals are sent, the cells conduct signals, sending them to the cell bodies. Within this structure are minerals. While brain enhancement researchers and experts have part of a solution, the fact is neurons conduct impulses to the synapse and to the muscles, organs, and glands. At this point, neurotransmitters, including serotonin, acetylcholine, dopamine, gamma-aminobutyric acids, endorphins, and norepinephrine kick in to help submit and conduct impulses to the synapse. The synapse is gaps amidst nerve endings, which junction amid two nerve cells shaped like clubs, touching the tips of the nerve fibers and nearly touching other cells that transmit signals to the brain. The synapse reaches the central nervous system, CNS. Now, here is the area of concern, which brain enhancers use neurofeedback to target the nerve cells, but will it touch the main section, CNS, that joins with the brain and spinal column, which contains 4 joining lobes that separate into 2 hemispheres and contain the frontal lobe. This lobe is the storage site where our personality develops. The lobe holds our intellectual function abilities and motor speech. The lobe branches to the second lobe, i.e. the parietal lobe, which is where our sensations are stored and integrates with sensory information from the spatial relation. The lobe joins with the temporal lobe, which is how we can hear, taste, and smell and speaks. This lobe joins with the occipital lobe, which gives us the ability to see. Brain enhancement software focuses on kinesthetic, which make up our personality, genetic factors and our culture. We see a pattern of potential support in some brain enhancement solutions offered today. The lobes connect to diencephalons, which consists of thalamus, as well as hypothalamus. The two elements transmit signals, relaying sensory impulses that trigger pain, body temperature, and finally touches the cortex within the brain. The signals move to hypothalamus, which controls the body temperature, blood pressure, respiration, and emotional states. Now we see that biofeedback tactics can be used to induce hypnosis and relaxation through brain enhancement solutions. The body's temperature, according to experts, when it rises and falls, plays a part in how the body and brain responses. The midbrain channels down from the hypothalamus, which consist of tectum, channeling to the cerebral peduncle, and then onto the pons. The pons consists of pons dorsalis, pons ventralis, and extends to the medulla oblongata that houses the cardiac center, vasomotor, our ability to vomit, and the respiratory. We see a pattern in brain enhancement solutions, yet we do not see where the solutions cover all aspects of the brain. The brain channels downward, until it comes in connection with the pyramidal tracts decussate, slightly above the medulla oblongata. The elements channels to the cerebellum, which gives us coordination, movement, muscle tone, posture, and equilibrium. Now we see how yogic practices were incorporated into brain enhancement solutions. The elements extend to the blood supply, which goes to the brain from the internal carotid artery, Willis circle, and vertebral arteries, and to the reticular activating scheme that coordinates sensory input, as well as regulates the level of responses to stimulus and to arousal. We can continue to the parasympathetic activity center, where cholinergic responses start to understand the complete makeup of the brain and how it relates dramatically to the central nervous system, which humankind is yet to understand completely to deliver the ultimate brain enhancement solution. Guided relaxation is found to a degree in today's brain enhancement solutions.